Um, Hi. Today we are going to be playing a game called Fun Monkey Horror. I don't know if you've heard about it, but it's a pretty cool game, to be honest. In it you run away from monsters, and it used to be like a game called Gorilla Tag Horror, if you've ever heard of it. But I don't know, I guess it's just better in a way. I don't know, that's what people are saying. So, let's get right onto it. Okay, so I'm in right now. And, it's pretty laggy. Just gotta wait it out. Oh, I just clicked that. I got in. I'm in.
I don't want to go to the I sound like a YouTuber. Oh no.
What map are you guys in? Can anybody please tell me? Hello? Somebody please. What map are you in? What map are you in?
You're back? No, never person. Okay.
What map is everybody in?
I don't know.
Let's just go to place. Everybody go to place. If you're if you're out here, just go to place or something, cause place is pretty fun.
Okay, go to place. Come on, guys.
I gotta do something. I gotta do something for a
hi.
second.
Hi. Hold on. Wait a minute. I'll be back.
This is a secret. If you guys don't know, if you go over here.
Oh, I care. Okay.
If you get over here, perfect.
I don't have much.
And then you click enter.
Dang it.
Yeah, speed boost now. You get a speed boost. You're so much faster. Oh.
No.
Life.
Come on, let's go get.
Life is
Here,
Roblox.
I'll go find a monster.
Life is Roblox.
Whee!
Speed.
I have a glitch that makes me go fast.
Wait, you found that out too? It's not so secret.
Yeah. No.
What am I doing?
Oh, you like this?
Ooh! Ooh, Mister! Mister!
I'm scared. I hear the sound effect. Come on, you can tell me when I get the big one. Yeah, no, I'll go with you. I'll come.
Don't give me sass.
Wait.
What up?
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Help!
Oh my God! Run! We have to go get the bigger one. We have to go get the bigger one.
Bus! There's a bus! My problems are solved.
We're the best.
Wait, before you go, as he's coming, say subscribe. Just do it.
Subscribe.
Good.
Thank you. He's coming. I see him coming.
Yo, what you mean by that?
The green one. Come over here.
Oh.
It's taking his time though.
Yeah, he's taking his time coming.
You wanna go get the big one?
Yeah, maybe the big one could come too.
Yeah, faster. Yes, the big one is like 1 mile is 1 step for him, I think.
It could probably come a lot more.
Don't come here, green one. Don't come here.
Yeah, don't come on me. I mean, here.
Big one, come here.
That's...
Come on.
Ah!
The wall's coming.
same thing would happen.
Yeah, who knew that? Okay, it's gonna take forever.
Guys, I'm zooming.
It's way too fast. Wait, come on, let's bring the green one. The green one's stuck.
Oh, he's stuck?
Yeah, he's stuck.
Yeah, let's come over to him. He says he's stuck, you know?
Hello?
He's not stuck.
What? We will die! Go on the bus! Go on the bus!
Oh, run him. Holy. Bro, Speedy.
It's all the bus ones.
Ooh, how do I get there?
Oh, follow me.
What happened? Oh,
It actually
my hand was off of where my hand
it's
was.
the opposite way for some reason.
Ooh.
Okay, pause. And then touch this.
Life is Roblox.
Touch the thing.
I did. You know what?
Up.
You're my friend now.
Again. Huh?
Nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see all the monsters crumble. And just stand there.
Yeah.
Where did the other monsters go? I can only see the big one.
So,
In the lighthouse. Behind you. Oh, the fast one. Oh.
the fast one.
That's the fastest one in this. I don't know if the glitch will work. Let's go test it out. Hello, white one. Hello? Oh my god,
He's not fast, but he scares
he
me.
was when we didn't have the glitch on. Don't worry, he's not chasing us. He's seriously not chasing us. Oh!
He's coming to me.
No, he's not. No, he's going away.
Oh,
You know? Look at the big one.
maybe I should stop saying that. You wouldn't get it.
Hello?
I'm gonna run circles around him.
That's not a good idea.
That's a very good idea.
Yeah, that's
Sup,
fine.
buddy?
It hurts. Maybe I'll do it too. You'll never get me.
Hey, you know what I say to him?
What?
I mean, like, not saying to. He sacrificed himself.